Naka-start na. Naka-start na, Jordan. Ha, kanina pa naka-start. 3 seconds have passed.
Ilang seconds?
Halika dito, Gab. Peter, doon ka. We are alone here at the Leisure Coast Resort.
Yeah. Hindi, maglakad ka.
Kini may tao.
Ito maglakad-lakad tayo.
Walang katao-tao.
Wala akong chinelas.
Asan dyan mo?
Kina ni Jeno.
Hindi na tayo mag-swimming.
Swimming, pero ang lamig kasi ng tubig.
Tapos, we are all alone.
Hi.
Peter. Shocking, pare. May ko nga to sapatos, guy.
Where are the people here?
Shit, basa yung sapatos siya.
Where are we?
Siya, ang putang. I don't have sleepers.
Hey, man. All the yip-yap and the dog.
Yes. So hot. I don't have sleepers. I don't have sleepers.
How is
Ni.
Mainit yung tubig dito.
Ibasa mo yung paa mo dyan para hindi mo maramdaman.
Sige na nga. I'll wet my... So lamig.
So lamig.
Huwag kong sininas ko, Andre.
Kata, let's tour this resort.
Yung mainit. Ako lang nakahubad dito. Ay.
Kuya ko lang walang chinelas.
Hoy. Complete gear.
Now what?
Now what we gonna do?
Grabe no. We're all alone.
Yeah.
Grabe pare.
Saan po yung dalawang yun?
They're lost.
Uy.
Oh my God. There's someone. There.
There is someone.
Walking.
Mali.
Tama ba?
Basta yung totoo na tayo nagkamali. What do you want?
What do you want? What do you Gama pangit. Sex me?
Chick dig dig.
I'm gonna push you in the pool.
Okay. Hindi mo ako
Come and do it.
Hi.
Hi, yo.
Yo.
Saan ka ni Jenny? Tanga ka, Jordan eh.
So nandito pala kami sa Leisure Coast Resort
Yes,
sa
we're
Bunuan,
here.
Binlog.
There's Gab.
Kung makikita nyo, kung titignan nyo si Peter, makikita nyo opera niya doon, napakaliit.
Yung kanyang appendix na wala na.
Yes.
May mga bata doon. May mga...
Where?
Where are they?
Where are they?
May malaking ahas.
Imagine mo na lang.
May pating off.
Sakyan na lang ako.
Dito mas maganda mag-relax.
Oh, dito. Ooh. Ganda ng view.
Look at the view.
Nasa Enchanted Kingdom kami. Sinatch kita.
Tapos merong bumagsak na apat na chicks sa
Tulog na langit.
Hulog ng langit.
Puti, magdadive ako.
Tapos, nalulunod sila.
Aagawin ko na, tol.
Kago.
Kunin ko na doon yung pinaka.
Oh, ano yun yung nag-ano doon?
Tol, ilagay mo sa YouTube yan.
Oh,
butas doon.
Lalagay ko sa YouTube.
Sisikat ang Leisure Coast, buti.
Paano ilagay sa
ini-endorse
YouTube
po
yun?
pala namin ng Leisure Coast. Tapos, ang soldo po namin dito, actually, meron kaming 10k kada oras.
So we've been
kontrata po
here
namin,
for how many hours?
I think it's 7, so may 70,000 na po kami.
Opo, mayaman na po kami.
Actually, nandun nga po yung Mercedes-Benz.
Tsaka ako pala yung the best swimmer here.
Yeah. As you can see, he has his goggles. And there's Gab. And I'm here.
100
I'm here.
meter per second swim.
Yeah. Damn, girl!
So, the other two guys are not here.
Yeah.
Mr. Jano
And
and
happy chupa chups.
Mr. Jano and Mr. Danridge. Where are they?
Let's go, let's swim.
In the bathroom.
In the kiddie pool.
Kiddie pool? My gosh.
They're playing kiddie chupa.
So, by the way naman. So, we're alone
Very
here.
good trend.
And anyway, it's just a night after our prom.
Isipin nyo na lang, this is island natin to island. Tapos napalibutan tayo ng
Tapos
tubig.
may tsunami.
Tapos may pating ano.
Mamamatay na tayo.
Yung ang tanging kabuhayan lang natin, mapangingisda at coconut tree. Diba?
So, what will happen? We will die?
Yeah.
Wala tayong fire.
Huh?
We don't have
We
fire.
can make fire.
Yes, I can make fire, Gab. I can make fire. I'll make you hot, Gab.
How to make fire? We don't have rock. We don't have rock.
Ano, wala mo lang kabato-bato dito.
Bato. Oo nga, no.
There is someone. I-post mo naman, panoorin natin sandali.